Hi, it's Joe, and it's April 18th. I haven't actually put up a YouTube video in a while. I spent a lot of the winter time just working on other stuff, particularly music and getting the band going again and various projects. But a week ago I decided I would get back to an actual project, and I decided I would put in a final floor. Actually, it's more than a week because I put in the ceiling. But I put in the final floor in the upstairs bedroom. And there's still some tweaking left to do, but the surface is covered. And this is what it's going to look like. It's what it does look like. I use the snap tight interlocking system to have fake oak flooring, and most of it turned out pretty well. There's a few blemishes which I won't tell you what they are, because if I didn't tell you, you wouldn't notice probably. But there's various things I can do to work on it more. But there's the entryway to the door, the little hobbit door in the back. This corner here was the last to do, and then that's kind of what it looks like. I'll keep it short.